and welcome back to my channel. So in this class we will discuss class 10 exercise 6.3 and question number 5, 6, 7 based on similarity. So first question is that question number 5, S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equals to angles RTA, so that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Okay, so first we have to draw the triangle. So this is suppose PQR triangle. PQR. Suppose this is PQR triangle. Then we have to S and T are the points on the side PR and QR respectively. So PR, so S is the point on PR. So S is the point. Suppose this is S. So let us draw this one. Yes. So S is the point on PR. So S is the point on PR and T is the point on QR. T is the point on PR. Okay, so this is the figure. So we have to prove triangle RPQ, this one, the entire triangle, and RT similar to triangle RTS, this small one. So given, first we will write given. So what is given here? What is given? So given that angle P equals to angle RTS. This is given, and we to prove what you have to prove. You have to prove triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. We have to prove this one. So proof. So in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. So we know there is three criteria to prove the similar triangle. First is AA criteria, for then SASSS criteria, and ASA. Means when the two angle is equal, then angle rule, and when the ratio of the sides two sides are equal, and this is SAS. Two sides are in ratio and another angle you can find equal, then you can say the two triangle is similar triangle. So in triangle RPQ and RTS, so we can say this R angle, QPR R angle, and SRT. In both case R angle is common, so you can write angle PRQ equals to angle SRT. Why? Because common angle. Number two is that what is number two? Number two is given on angle P equals to angle RTS. This angle equals to this angle. So write down angle P equals to angle RTS, that is given. So we find out two condition, two angle for the both triangle. So we can use that rule, angle. So therefore triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS by angle rule. Okay, got it? So therefore triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Next, question number 6. Question number 6 in figure 6.37. This is 6.37 figure. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. So that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. ADE and ABC we have to prove similar. Okay, the figure is drawn here. So you have to draw the figure also. Whether it is given or not given, we have to draw figure for those sums. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So given that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, so as it is given, so we can conclude some statement result. So as ABE congruent to triangle ACD, so you can write AB equals to AC by CPCT. AB equals to AC CPCT. Next, number 2, we can say this portion AE equals to AD, or AD equals to, first we had AB, so we will take AD equals to AE. AD equals to AE. This is also by CPCT. Okay, so from here we can write equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. If we divide equation number 1 divided by equation number 2, we get AB by AD equals to AC by AE. Okay. Now proof. To prove what we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Proof. So what is the proof here? So in triangle, we have to prove this one. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, condition number 1, see, angle A for the triangle ADE and for the triangle ABC, the angle A is common for both cases. So you can write angle A equals to angle A, common. Why? Common side, common angle, okay. Let me erase this one. Yes. Now second condition is that angle ABC, AB by, so we have to prove AB, ABD and ABC. So this smaller triangle and this bigger, the entire triangle. So if I say AB by AD, if I can prove that AB by AD, ratio between AB by AD and ratio between AC by AE, we can easily prove that by SA rule. So here we have already proved here AB by AD equals to AC by AE. This is what given. So therefore we can write by SAS rule triangle ADE is similar triangle ABC by SAS rule. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 6. Let us come to question number 7. So there is 4 question. So don't be confused about it. So we will do one by one. So first question number 1, simple triangle AAP and triangle. So this figure contains several triangle. So in several triangle, 2 triangle, we have to prove they are similar. So nothing is there. So first we have to prove AEP, this one AEP and CDP. So in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. So first condition, form A. So let us write this here. A, B, this is E, C, this is P and D. This is right angle and this is right angle given. Since these are right angles, so means this side also right angle and this side also right angle. So AEP, in AEP and CDP. So this is PDC, or you can say CDP and AEP, right, 90 degree. They are equal. So we'll write CDP equals to AEP. because the each 90 degree, each 90 degree. Next question, next two, condition 2. Okay, see here they are vertically opposite angle, these two angle. So angle CPD, CPT, P. We are indicating this angle now, so we will write CPD. Okay. Sometimes people write CPD and PCD same. No. P angle we are indicating means P should be in the middle. Okay. For that triangle APE. APE. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. And you know vertically opposite angle are equal to each other. So therefore triangle, so we got angle, so you can write triangle AEP similar to triangle ACDP, AEP CDP by AA rule. Got it? So next question number 2, ABD in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Okay, ABD, which is ADB. So A, this is C, P, E, D and P. Right angle, and here it is right angle. So ABD, which is ABD, this one, and CBE, CBE, this one and this one. Okay, in ABD, this one is 90 degree, this triangle is 90 degree, and in CBE, this one 90 degree. So condition number 1, angle. So in triangle ABD, ADB is the right angle, ADB is the right angle, equals to in triangle CBE, this one right angle, CEB, each 90 degree. Next number 2, which is so angle, so triangle ABP. So here see B angle and B angle is equal. So this angle is equal for the both triangle. So angle B equals to angle B, common angle. So therefore triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Okay, by which condition? By AA rule. Okay, got it? Next question. So let us write the name A, B, E. This is C, P and D. 90 degree it is, and this is 90 degree. So in triangle AEP, AEP, this one, and triangle ADB. Okay. So in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, condition number 1, AEP, this is 90 degree, and ADB, this is 90 degree, this one. So we can write AEP equals to ADB, each 90 degree, Condition number 2, AEP and ADB, okay, ADB, AEP, this one, and ADB. Which is the next condition we can find out? Okay, tell me. AEP and ADB. A angle is common here, angle A. So you can write angle A equals to angle A, common angle. So therefore triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. By which rule? By AA rule. Okay. So we have discussed 3 question of question number 7. I hope this question number 4 of 7, this is your homework. Do yourself. If there is any doubt, comment, then I will discuss this question also. So till then, data, and thank you for watching, and keep revising these sums.